Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make peach gum with milk and snow swallow. Let's start. Firstly, immerse 12 g peach gum, 3 g snow swallow, 3 g gleditsia sinensis for 12 hours. After immerse 12 hours, they are easy to cook. The peach gum and snow swallow will become times larger after immersing, so we should use the big bowl to immerse them. Please don't immerse them into the same bowl because it's hard to wash them later if they are messy. Please immerse one ingredients in one bowl. After 12 hours, we wash the peach gum and snow swallow. Because the peach gum and snow swallow are from the trees that will have some impurities after they curdle. We should wash them after immersing. Then drain peach gums, snow swallow, gleditsia sinensis, and save them for later. Then wash 10 g goji berries, drain and save them for later. After preparing all of the ingredients, we can start to cook this food. Pour 500 ml water into the pan. Then add peach gum and gleditsia sinensis into the pan. Cover the pan and use soft fire to heat it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we should add milk to this food. Pour 450 ml milk and snow swallow into the pan. Then use soft fire to cook it for 15 minutes. Please stir them from time to time to avoid sticking to the pan. After 15 minutes, we should add goji berries and 10 g crystal rock sugar. Then still use soft fire to cook it for 10 minutes to make the sugar melt. After 10 minutes, the peach gum with milk and snow swallow soup has finished. For foodies, dessert are an emotion gas station that directly healing the soft heart. Even if the journey of life is in a hurry, the memories is also sweet with the dessert. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe us. If you have any problem, please leave your comment below. See you next Chinese food. Bye.